Do you want to start an online business this year or the next without holding any inventory? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will walk you through a full tutorial on how to start a dropshipping business for babies and kids essentials. By following the tips in this video, you can start any type of dropshipping brand, but the tips that I give you right here will tell you exactly the steps you need to take. So we will build a professional Shopify store for your baby and kids essential brand. We will integrate it with Doba to source trusted products. And finally, we will talk about how to market your product so you can start making sales fast. So if you've ever dreamed of starting your own brand, but didn't really like the idea of holding inventory and having to ship the products to your customers yourself, then this video will definitely help you out. So let's get started. So when you want to start a brand with dropshipping, the very first thing you need to think about is your niche. So which types of products will you start selling? You cannot start selling everything on the market. You need to specialize in one type of product first, or a type of niche first, to attract a certain audience, and then you can expand. That is why I gave the idea of a baby and kids products, not any products, but essentials. So with baby and kids products, you know that parents don't just buy them in one time of the year, they buy them year round. Babies keep growing, they keep needing new products, so you know that this niche is here to stay. So in this video, we will focus on these products that are winning from Doba. The 3-in-1 baby bassinet sleeper. It is super sleek, functional, and safety focused, something that each parent wants. Then we have the organic swaddle set, so soft, minimalist, and it is also perfect for gifting, so you need to keep that in mind. Then the 8-piece diaper bag set. It is stylish, practical for busy moms and dads. So together, these types of products that we find on Doba helps us build a brand around comfort, trust, and parenting in general. So when you're picking a niche for your brand, you don't want to just pick a type of product, but try to pick a certain vibe for your store. For example, peaceful parenting. So after you went to Doba, you picked your niche, you picked your types of products that you want to start your brand with, it is time to start your Shopify store. So you go to Shopify and start your free trial, and you pick your store name. Something warm, memorable, like Luna Nest Baby or Pure Little Co. And you can even start by creating a branding mood board, so you know exactly which types of product photos you want on your site, which types of banners. So it's really important to create that first so you have a reference for what your brand is. Then once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you go to online store and themes. And for starting, you can use the Dawn theme because it's clean, fast, and it is perfect for a soft, modern baby brand. Now, after you click customize, you can start your homepage design. So when you're building your baby brand, your goal is trust through simplicity. So you can build this structure for your website: a hero section, a big image of a smiling baby, cozy nursery, a mom holding her baby in one of your swaddles, or something similar that also integrates your product. And your call to action button can say shop baby essentials. Then on your homepage, you need to add the feature product section, and you can add one of your collections, for example, swaddles, or you can go for featured items such as bassinet sleepers, swaddle set, diaper bag bundle. But to do that and to import your products into Shopify from Doba, you need to go to Doba first, connect your Shopify store, and then you'll be able to start importing products directly into Shopify, and it is super easy to do. You can import the title, description, the product photos, and then you can also order samples for you to take some product photos for your own brand of those products. And you can even add a text such as safe sleep starts here, or softest swaddles, happiest babies. Then in your about section, you can talk about your mission as a parent inspired brand, such as we believe baby essentials should be safe, simple, and designed for real families. Next, you can add a reviews or testimonial section. You can add just a few reviews at launch just to show social proof early. Then in the footer section of your site, you can add links to your about page, shipping, return policy, and contact pages. Now, your goal with this brand and with this store is to keep it clean, easy to navigate, super soft and simple, because parents already have their plate full. You want them to have it really easy to browse your store, to browse your website, add the products to cart, and check them out. So this is the goal that you should have with this brand in general. Now, if you haven't integrated Doba yet, you can do it now, and make sure to add healthy margins for your shop, for your prices of your product, so you can earn a significant amount from selling them, because you need to factor in the prices for marketing, for your website management, and all those things. So let's go through the product. For example, for the bassinet, the wholesale price is $99, you can sell it at $159. For the swaddle set, if it is $21, you can sell it at $39. The diaper bag, if it is $33, you can sell it at $69, for example. And now the best part about Doba is that they have so many products from trusted suppliers from all around the world, and they ship really fast. But the thing is, your brand can grow with them. So if you've added 3 products that are selling really well, you can start adding on different types of products for babies, for example. Then you can start adding kids products and start adding more and more, add them by collections, and build your brand. A quick tip that I have for you is to really invest in the product page. So if you only have a few photos from your suppliers, make sure to add on by creating professional photos of products yourself. You can add infographics of those photos, for example, to show 3-in-1 bedside bassinet, safe sleep for your little one. You can customize the title and description to include keywords that are searchable for your products to be able to rank in Google search. But then you can also use infographics for key benefits, for example, adjustable height, mosquito net for protection, comfortable mattress, lockable wheels for stability. Create lifestyle images as well, and end with a strong call to action. For example, order now, it ships fast from the US, and also include testimonials on every single product page as well. People want to see what other customers thought of that specific product. Now that your store looks absolutely beautiful, it is perfect for getting parents in to shop. So now we need to get in some traffic. The very first step to start getting traffic is to use social media. So you can start doing TikToks and Instagram Reels. But the one thing that I suggest is not just create random videos about your products. Look at our product, look what it does, look what it is. Those product presentation videos are absolutely great, but you need to integrate other types of short content as well, such as tips. And who needs those tips? Parents. So you can do things like 3 baby products that make parenting 10 times easier. What every new parent actually needs. Baby essentials I actually use with my newborn. 3 things that help me with safe sleep with my baby. And all those things that will actually make the customers understand that you're not just selling random products because you want to, but you actually have expertise. You know what you're talking about. You provide good quality product that you trust and use. The next platform you can start promoting your brand on is Pinterest. So you can upload and pin every single day photos of your products, lifestyle photos, and even photos that you got from your customers with their approval, of course, and UGC type content that you got from influencers you work with. Then you can start using email marketing, and this is mandatory for any brand. So you can start offering 10% off for the first order to every single customer that joins your email newsletter. And then you can start sending weekly emails with different tips for moms, parents, how to use the product, testimonials, and things like that. And then also include 1 or 2 per month that has new arrivals as well. So there you have it, a full baby essentials brand built from scratch, no inventory needed. With the Doba handling all the sourcing and fulfillment, shipping, all you need to worry about is growing your brand, creating content that converts, and actually getting more customers. Right now, dropshipping isn't about cheap gadgets anymore. It is about building brands that people trust. And that is why I love Doba. It offers so many products that you can choose from to start real brands, and on top of that it offers so many tools like inventory tracking, letting you know when inventory for those products runs out, and so many other tools that are so useful to dropshippers all around the world. So if you want to check out Doba and start your brand today, make sure to do so at the link in the description. If you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!